I've got two highly rated industrial fans here. These are both 20-inch fans. This is the Amazon commercial one, and this one is made by a company called Built Hard. I'm gonna turn them on, just let you see them in action. They both have 3 speeds. They're both adjustable, and they put out a lot of air. What I do with these, I've got one in a workshop just to kind of move some air around in a workshop with no air conditioning. The other thing I do, I set them outside. I've got an outdoor dog, and we set him out there, and the dog just loves it. He lays in front of it and cools him off on a hot day. So there's a lot of uses for it, but definitely putting out a lot of wind here. So let me turn them on again. They've got 3 speeds. I'm gonna turn them on high just so you can hear them on the camera. Both of them rocking now, so they both run pretty quiet, just to be honest with you. On high speed, I would say the Amazon one is just slightly quieter. Assembly's no big deal. You're basically just attaching the frame to it. It's got 2 little wing nuts on either side, and that's kind of how both of them function. Some are similar as far as assembly goes. Very happy with these. If you need something to really move some air, these are 2 that get great reviews.